Hi everyone, today we will see are Mint mobile phones unlocked and how to unlock your Mint mobile phone. Are Mint mobile phone unlocked? Yes, Mint mobile phones can be unlocked. However, the Mint mobile phones are automatically unlocked. Mint mobile phones are locked to their network by default. Even if you purchase the mobile directly from Mint. To unlock a Mint mobile phone, you need to meet certain eligibility requirements, including having at least 12 months of active service with Mint or having no outstanding bills. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Customers must have had their lock device activated on the Mint mobile service for at least 12 months. The phone number associated with the device cannot be ported. The unlock request must be made while the Mint mobile service is active and in good standing or within 60 days after the active service expires. Make sure you are original owner of the phone. Second-hand phones often cannot be unlocked. Obviously, your device can't be blacklisted or reported as missing to get the unlock approved. The device must be a Mint mobile unlocked handset launched or activated with their service after September 1, 2018. Step 2. Obtain your phone's IMEI number. On Android, dial *#06# to display the IMEI number. On iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About and find the IMEI number. Alternatively, you can also find IMEI number at the back of the device box. Step 3. Contact Mint Mobile Support. Contact Mint Mobile Support through phone, chat or email and request the unlock. Provide your IMEI number and confirm you meet the eligibility requirements. Step 4. Wait for the Mint Mobile to process the unlock request. The process can take up to 5 business days. Avoid factory resetting your device or switching the SIM cards during this time. Once unlocked, Mint Mobile requires to insert a non-Mint SIM card to finalize the unlock. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.